This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can align text vertically within a table in Google Docs. Aligning text horizontally from left to right is pretty straightforward in Google Docs. But what if you want your text to be in the middle of the cell or at the bottom of the cell? This is what you do. You highlight the text that you want to change within that table, then you right-click, and then you select Table Properties. You can also reach that menu by highlighting the word, going to Format, and then clicking Table, then selecting Table Properties from there. When you do this, this Table Properties bar will appear on the right. What you want to do to change the vertical alignment is to go to the cell menu because you're editing what's happening within individual cells. And then here you will have the chance to change the cell vertical alignment. So if I want it to be in the middle, you click on this box and then select middle. If you want all of your text to be in the middle of the cells, what you need to do is highlight all of the cells, then come over here to where it says vertical alignment, then select top, and then select middle. For some reason, if you select middle again, it won't change the cells, but if you reset everything to top or bottom, then you will be able to change that to the middle. You can do that same thing if you want the text to appear at the bottom of the cells. So this is how you can change the vertical alignment of cells in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.